Hi everyone, Nkensani here from Project Portfolio Office. In this video, I will be demonstrating the use of the count distinct feature that can be used in calculated key metrics. The example I'll be making use of is to determine the number of project managers assigned to the active portfolio of projects. I'll be doing this on an existing dashboard homepage. So when I click on edit, I can make use of or add this widget to a new panel, or I can add it to an existing panel that I have. So I'm going to make use of this one that already has other key metrics in there. I'm going to click on add widget. When the widget library pops up, I'll select key metric and I will need to select the entity as projects, and then I'll click on add. Once the key metric has been added, I'm going to rename this to count of project managers in active portfolio. Right, and then you will see when the widget gets added, by default, it shows you the count of projects, and this is not what we want to measure. So therefore we need to update this. So you will click on settings, and on the settings pop up, you will see there is a calculation type. You will select the calculated option, and then your caption there, you will put it down as count of project managers in active portfolio. Then you can also choose the color that your metric should be. For this specific one, I'm going to choose the color blue, and then your field type, you can leave it as the integer. You will then move to the builder section where you will select the field which you would like to measure. In this example, we are making use of the project manager field. So I'll select project manager, and then I'll select the math option, and I'll use the count distinct option. Once I've pulled through the count distinct option, I just connect it to the project manager, and this should suffice to give me the count of project managers in the active portfolio. Once you've done this, you can then click on save and your key metric will generate for you. To check if it's showing you the correct count of project managers, you can just refer to maybe the project list, or on the dashboard that I'm on, I have the non-admin portfolio here, and I can see out of the 11 projects, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 unique project managers. When looking at my key metric that I've just added, it shows me that it's 8. And the reason for this is because by default, when you use the count distinct option, it includes empty values. So one would need to change their filter options. So we are looking at the only active projects, but I want to exclude any projects where the project manager field is currently empty. So I would need to select is empty and toggle this to say exclude, apply, and once applied, you will see the count will update to 7, and then just one last click to hide the filter bar. And now I can confirm that the count of the unique project managers allocated to the group of active projects is currently 7. Once you've made your changes, remember to always click on save so that you do not lose the changes that you've made. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful.